So here I am again. Can y'all see this doorbell? Wait, where is it? Alright, well, I'll position y'all a little bit better. That way you can see this masterpiece at work. So today we got a couple of things that we're doing today. Not only a doorbell, but you guys have seen me put these up before and how simple I've made it look. But we got a smart lock to do. We have another system to do. Like, it's a couple of different things that we got to do. So today we're going to definitely be by the door a lot more, doing a whole bunch of installs on that wave. So if you guys are really interested in learning how to do this and figuring it out, I promise you it's not that hard. But here I am doing it again, making another masterpiece. Flow with the ease. At the end of this job, it's going to be pretty good. So, all right. So what you do with the doorbell is going to be 2 wires right there that will connect to the doorbell. You'll take those and disconnect them like I am doing now. As you can see, they're just wrapped around. You unwrap them, you no longer have a doorbell. Voila. So now you test the doorbell to see if it's even operational. All right, so cool. That part works. So now we know that the doorbell does work. We just have to make sure that when we plug it back in the second time that it does the same thing. So, all right. What are we doing here? All right, cool. We are motioning ourselves. That's probably a little bit too much cord anyway. So we're gonna hide some of the cord. We're gonna take, where's that screw? Oh yeah. All right, cool, that didn't hold like that. So we're gonna take one of these screws. Watch me work. Clip this, boom. Take in between, boom. Loose screw. And re-screw. Now the question becomes whether you want to tighten it to its full capabilities or not. It's going to be totally up to you. Most times I choose not to do that, and I try not to go super hard on power tools. Granted, I do have them. I just don't want to bust up and break anybody's stuff when I'm doing this. So if I can, I usually do it the manual way, which it has its pros and its cons. It's a whole lot slower, but it's a lot more detailed. So you definitely can work on your precision game when you're doing this by yourself like this. So I'll come up, I'll tap it. All right, bet. Now we in there. Yikes. I was not supposed to do that. Oh wow, that's what happened. Okay. So I made a boo-boo. Remember I was telling you guys earlier about these power drills? Yeah, so I just power drilled all through what I didn't need to power drill through. And so now, So as you can see already, the first mishap when using power tools, you gotta be careful, extremely careful. Anything accidental of the sort can cause extreme difficulties.